Hello everyone, how are you? In today's topic, we are going to discuss some of the most important MCQs of Merchant of Venice. And my dear students, very soon you will appear at your board examination for literature, and believe me that the questions which I have selected will really help you in solving the MCQs of the Merchant of Venice. So it's particularly for class 10th, and the questions which I have just taken out are from Act 3, Act 4 and Act 5. So without wasting our time, let's get started with question number 1. Question number 1 says what? What rumor do Celerino and Solanio discuss and then seek to have confirmed by Shylock? Means what was the rumor going on in the streets of Rialto? So my dear student, the rumor was Antonio lost the ships, but it was only a rumor. You will make it understand, because at the end of the play, you all know that 3 of his ships safely came in. Understood? So please watch this video till the end. This will really be very helpful. Okay, so question number 2 says what? Tubal reports. Who is Tubal? The friend of Shylock, you can say. Tubal reports Jessica has stolen a ring of Shylock. What does he trade the ring for? Means she exchanged the ring with what? A monkey. If you remember the very Act 3 beta, Tubal just confirmed Shylock that I saw Jessica just taking a monkey for the ring. And do you know that very ring was so important for Shylock, because that ring was given to Shylock by his, you can say, beloved, or his wife Leah, Leah. This name is also important, you will remember, because maybe the question can come, who is the wife of Shylock? Understood? Next, what cheers up Shylock after hearing of his daughter's theft? Means the moment he got the news, Shylock got the news that his daughter fled away, thieving lots of jewelry, ducats and all that, but still he became happy. What was the news? The news was Antonio's financial ruin, that his ships got wrecked, and due to which he became happy. Actually here fickle mindedness has been shown. Means Shylock is fickle minded here, and also Tubal is playing with the emotions of Shylock. Tubal is at first on one hand saying that your daughter fled away with lots of jewelry, ducats. For that he is very unhappy, and the moment Tubal informs him that Antonio suffers from financial crisis, ruin, because his ships got wrecked, he becomes very happy. So option number A will be correct, that Antonio's financial ruin cheers up Shylock. Next question, everyone. In Act 3 Scene 2, Portia compares Bassanio to which figure? So Portia is also very much willing to get married with Bassanio. That's why while Bassanio was about to choose the casket, before that Bassanio was compared with Hercules as far as the power, the strength is concerned. Next beta, everyone, what piece of bad news interrupts the celebration at Belmont? What piece of bad news came? Antonio's bankruptcy. Actually Bassanio was able to win whom? Portia, by choosing which casket beta? Lead casket. And only under the lead casket what was present beta? The portrait of, beautiful portrait of Portia. But the moment Bassanio won Portia, or was able to woo Portia successfully, at the same time Lorenzo and Jessica comes and along with I think Lancelot as well, and informs that Antonio has become bankrupt. Means all his ships got wrecked, and now anyhow Shylock wants to take revenge from him. Next question beta. Of what does Shylock accuse Celerino in the street? My dear students, Shylock was wandering here and there. Do you know why? Just to find whom? Jessica. So Shylock, when met Celerino and Celanio, he started accusing basically Celerino and absolutely both the people standing over there, that you people know where my daughter has gone, but still you are not telling me. So trying to cancel the bond. No, knowing Jessica was living, means you knew that where my Jessica was going and where my Jessica was living. You knew the plan, but you did not tell me. Question number 7 says what? What does Shylock say a man's flesh is good for? So in the Merchant of Venice, while They were having the discussion. Shylock said that a man's flesh is good for baiting fish. This kind of a statement Shylock made only because he had an extreme hatredness for the Christians and basically for Antonio. Next question, beta. Why does Shylock want to take the bond? Shylock wanted to take the bond not to get money. Actually, he had a deep revenge inside his heart that anyhow I'll take revenge from Antonio by taking 1 pound of flesh from his body. And in that way, you can say that if he is able to take 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body, he will kill Antonio. So basically, he was doing all these things out of hatredness. So he wanted to take revenge. Option number B is correct. Who brings Shylock's news from Genoa after about Jessica? About Jessica, who brought the news? Tubal brought the news. This I have already discussed earlier, beta. Next, who is Lay? The question has already come. Shylock's wife. Always remember. Next, who or what is Bassanio referring to in the following lines? Thou pale and common dress between men to men. It is talking about silver casket, but on the internet somewhere it was given lead casket. No, not at all. It will be silver casket. Means silver is something which is a medium of exchange from one hand to another. Okay. What does Portia give Bassanio that he must swear never to part with? Portia, when was able to be born by Bassanio, she gave a ring to Bassanio. Understood? Always remember. And she also requested Bassanio that you will never part this ring away from you. Or you will never give this ring to anyone. Okay. What surprise news does Graciano give Bassanio? Graciano, one who speaks too much, but the friend of Bassanio, gives a surprising news, that is, he has also fallen in love with Nerissa. At the same time, beta, Bassanio was able to win Portia and he was about to get married. Sorry. And at the same time, this Graciano also shared his feelings that I also want to get married with Nerissa. I am in love with Nerissa. So option number A is correct. Next question, beta. Who arrives at Belmont late to the party? At last, Lorenzo and Jessica arrive, and with the bad news that Antonio was being taken to the court and Shylock is anyhow ready to take the 1 pound of flesh. Understood, beta? Next, how much money does Portia tell Bassanio to pay to deface the bond? How much money does Portia tell? So Portia said that you can give him 36,000 ducats, but you better know, beta, that Shylock will not take it at all. Okay. Next, in Act 3, Scene 3, what happens? How does Shylock respond to Antonio? Actually, Antonio was also urging and requesting to listen to his arguments, but Shylock was not ready to listen. So he refuses to let Antonio speak. Means whatever to you speak, I am not going to hear you or pay any heed to you. How does Antonio respond to Shylock in the scene? My dear students, the question is saying, how does Antonio respond to Shylock in the scene? So he accepts the law by saying the law is law. Means Antonio almost surrendered in front of Shylock because Antonio knew that Shylock is someone who will anyhow take revenge from me and he will take 1 pound of flesh from my body only because I am not able to pay the very bond, you can say. Do you know Antonio is a Christian and Shylock is a Jew, and this Jew has a special kind of hatredness for this Christian. Okay, Antonio basically. Why, beta? Because this Antonio most often used to save the debtors. Debtors. Debtors means the people who took money from Shylock and were not able to pay him back. In that way, he used to take lots of interest from the very person, and this Antonio used to give him the money and save him, you can say, and that was what he did not want. He did not like Antonio. And one more thing, beta, Antonio was also a rich merchant. Na? He also used to give money and help so many people, but he did not take any interest, and that was also a reason why Shylock hated Antonio. Also, beta, Christians were in domination in Venice. Means majority was of Christian people, you can say, and Antonio most often abused Shylock, called Shylock a dog, or he spitted on his face. So many reasons were there why Shylock hated Antonio. Next question, beta. In Act 3, Scene 4, to whom does Portia leave a charge? One liner it is, To whom does Portia leave a charge of her house? You know, the moment when Portia and Nerissa were about to go to the courtroom, in Venice, then her Belmont, area, the room, her house will be vacant. Then who will take care of it? Then she demanded or requested Lorenzo to lead the very house and take care of this house. Understood? And just behind him, so many servants will follow him. Where does Portia tell everyone that she is going? She tells everyone that she is going to a monastery, and Portia and Nerissa, both of them will be disguised in men's attire, you can say, and they means Portia and Nerissa will go to Venice courtroom in order to save the life of Antonio. Next, beta. What is Porcia's response to Nerissa when she asks of Bassanio and Graciano? Shall they see us? Once again, just watch this video till then. This will really be very helpful. What the question is saying, what is Porcia's response to Nerissa when she asks Bassanio and Graciano shall they see? Actually, do you know, beta, Nerissa was afraid that when both of us go to Venice, they will recognize me. So she said that yes, we will go in Venice, but we will be dressed like men and no any person will recognize me there. Question number 21. Who tells Jessica that even though she marries a Christian, still she is damned? At that moment when Portia and Nerissa left that place, Lorenzo, Jessica, and Lancelot were there in Belmont, and for some time you better know the scene came where Lancelot and Jessica were all alone, and Lancelot was making fun of Jessica by calling that you were a Jew earlier and you married with you married with Lorenzo and became a Christian, and she is damned for this, she is cursed for this. So who said this line? Lancelot. Now one liner only, because this will help me take so many questions together. So Act 4, some important questions which can come. Number 1, beta, how does the Duke feel about Antonio? Duke was also merciful. He understood the situation. That's why he felt sorry for him. And even the Duke was requesting in front of Shylock that you should also show mercy. But be better know that Shylock has that kind of deep hatredness inside that he anyhow wanted to take revenge from Antonio by taking 1 pound of flesh. Next question, beta. When Shylock enters the courtroom, what does the Duke suggest to Shylock? To show mercy. Duke was also asking to show mercy. What does Antonio ask the court for? Antonio asked the court for judgment. Antonio asked the court for judgment. Antonio knew that Shylock is not going to show any mercy. So better clear out the judgment and take my 1 pound of flesh and let me die. What does Bassanio offer Shylock? Bassanio was continuously offering Shylock that you can take 6,000 ducats, but always remember, not only 6,000 ducats. Earlier he said 6,000 ducats, then he said I can give you the double of it, I can even double it, and so many times you can say. Bassanio anyhow wanted to save the life of Antonio, and now at this point of time Bassanio has no any crisis of money. Why? Because he is able to marry a rich heiress who is Portia, and she is a rich lady of Belmont. She has no any financial crisis. Next, what is Shylock's response to the offer? Shylock said, I would not take 36,000 ducats, and even if you can say sum it up and double it up, whatever, so many lines were there, you can go through it. Beta, means anyhow he wanted to take 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body, only because the moment he takes 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body, he will be able to kill Antonio. So that was what his reason was. And do you know the most important thing, that he was able to get the bond signed by Antonio of this very harshest, you can say, term, that if you are unable to pay, I will be able to take 1 pound of flesh. It was on humorous term, beta. Shylock was taking it lightly at that time, saying it lightly that I will take 1 pound of flesh, and they never saying that this will become very serious. He will become very serious in taking 1 pound of flesh. And also Antonio was overconfident that he will be able to pay within 2 months, and the time limit which was given was of 3 months. Next, what does the Duke call into the room? Who does the Duke call into the room? Duke now welcomed Balthazar, a learned doctor of law. Earlier Duke was expecting that who will come? Dr. Bellario will come, but Balthazar came, and we better know who is Balthazar. The real person is Portia. Portia is in the disguise of Balthazar, and Balthazar is shown here, a learned doctor of law. Portia tells Shylock what? She initially also tells Shylock to show mercy, but Shylock was not ready to show any mercy. To what is Shylock referring when he calls Portia Daniel? Daniel means a god of judge. God of judge. So Shylock is basically, calling Portia Daniel, because at that very moment she was being very much favorable for and Shylock by saying that yes, you can take 1 pound of less. Why does and what does Antonio ask of Bassanio? Antonio was asking of Bassanio what? Antonio just surrendered totally that Shylock will be able to take 1 pound of flesh. So better Bassanio, tell your wife how much I loved you, that I am ready to sacrifice my life only because of you. A true friendship has been shown between Antonio and Bassanio, my dear students. Next. How does Bassanio respond? How does Bassanio respond? Bassanio was also a true friend of Antonio. So he said, I would leave my wife to spare your life. Not only I would leave my wife, he also said that even if I have to discard everything, leave everything to save your life, even my wife, even my all belongings, all my belongings and all that, he was anyhow ready to give anything in order to save his friend's life, that is Antonio's life. Next. While cutting the flesh, what does Portia warn Shylock? At the same time, the twist comes in the story when he was about to take the flesh. Portia said, "The bond does not allow you to shed (shad) shed any blood on this Christian, on this Venice ground." Because nowhere in the bond it was written that any blood should come out. Only it is written. It becomes illogical, but this is a play. Don't take it by your heart. Understood? Don't be emotional. Next. What will happen to Shylock if he takes anything more or less than exactly 1 pound of flesh? Then it was written that he will die, and all his belongings will be confiscated by the state. And do you know what will happen, Vita? He will now surrender. Shylock will surrender that, okay, give me the bond. He says what? How does Shylock respond to the warning? He said, let me just take my principal amount, the main basic amount which I gave, that was 3000 ducats, and let me go. Next question. What final surprise does Portia have for Shylock? The final surprise, Vita, was he is under arrest for attempting to murder a Christian. Understood? He was attempting to murder a Christian. Next question. What is the Duke's final decision? So the Duke's final decision was Antonio will get half of Shylock's possession and half will be confiscated by the state. But Antonio was a very good person. He said, do you know what? That Antonio said what? That do me a favor. Number one, Shylock should be turned into a Christian. Number two, half the amount which you are paying to me should be given to Lorenzo and Jessica. And the next is, when Shylock dies, all the money should be given to Lorenzo and Jessica. This was cleared by Antonio. Next. What does Bassanio offer Balthazar once? This was Balthazar, who was basically Portia in the disguise of a male lawyer, you can say doctor of law. So she was able to save the life of Antonio. So after that, Bassanio was very happy. So what does Bassanio offer Balthazar once the trial was over? So Bassanio was offering 3000 ducats that was owed to Shylock, but now he was ready to give it to Portia. Portia, no? Bassanio does not know that he is Portia in reality, but Balthazar. Next. Who tells Bassanio to give Balthazar what he asks for? Who tells Bassanio to give Balthazar what he asks for? Actually, Balthazar was demanding what? A ring, na? So Bassanio at least initially hesitated to give by saying that this is very much important for me. You can ask any other ring, any other costliest ring of this very land. I can just arrange it from anywhere, but don't ask for this. So at last, when Balthazar was going from that place, Antonio requested Bassanio to give the very ring. So who tells Bassanio to give Balthazar the very ring? So option will be Antonio will be correct here. Next question, beta. What does Lorenzo think some of the questions now. What does Lorenzo think of people who don't like music? Actually, the people who don't like music are just like animals, and they deserve. Actually, no, just like animals, no, beta. Animals are also fond, you can say, of music. They are they are also the lovers of music. Somewhere it was written, if you might have gone line by line, beta, even the colts, the young horses who are not in the control of their masters, the moment they start listening to the music, na, they also become very silent, and their savage, their anger, personality changes into modest personality. It was given, so basically, Lorenzo at one time said that all those people who don't love music, they deserve cruelties, because uh, someone who likes music is very pure by heart, modest by heart. What does Portia believe makes the music more beautiful? Beta, Portia said that this night is making the music more beautiful. And next, sorry, makes the music more beautiful. Exactly, moments should also be there. Why does Nerissa criticize Graciano? Actually, Nerissa was criticizing Graciano because Graciano also parted the ring. Graciano also gave the ring to someone else, according to Nerissa, and in this way, he broke the promise. He broke his promise. Understood? But he does not know. Graciano also does not know that the ring which you gave was given to Nerissa, who was in the disguise of a clerk, and also Bassanio, who gave the ring to someone who is Balthazar, but in reality she is Portia. Understood? What good news came to Antonio at the end of the play? What good news came at the end of the play, Vita? That three of his ships safely came in, and this good news was given by whom? Portia, that three of the ships safely came in, and he was now in a big profit. And one last good news was what? One more good news, that Lorenzo and Jessica will be given all the properties, all the belongings, whatever Shylock has after his death. So in this way, I have tried to give you some of the most important MCQs, multiple choice questions of Merchant of Venice. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much, and please share to all your students. See you in the next class, beta, and wish you all the best for your exam.